Hey everyone, so this is just a quick video to show you how to replace a mirror on a Tiburon. Specifically, this would be the method for the 2005 through 2008 Tiburons, I believe. They all have the same mirrors. So this is my car here, and as you can see, the mirror is thoroughly cracked, and unfortunately cracked all the way at the bottom. That was done by the previous owner backing out of their garage. So I decided after owning the car for a while that I would pick up a mirror and replace it. So this is from a 2008, but like I said, pretty sure that it shouldn't have any issues of compatibility. My car is a GS model, so not heated or anything like that, just power mirrored, and I'll show you how to take it off. So what you're going to want to do is move your mirror to the side and use a small screwdriver to open that up, and this cover here is going to need to come off for the mirror to come out. Same thing on the other side there, that little crack. You're going to want to pop that side out too. This is what the piece looks like when it's taken off, and there's the clip in the back of it there. So fairly easy, but you do have to be careful. I ended up dropping mine on the floor, and yeah, that well, damaged a little bit. I'm not super concerned about the paint on my car, but if you are, you got to take a lot of care doing that. Next, we have some Torx bolts here, and there'll be one plug as well on the inside, so let's see what size that is. The size of the head of those is a T30, which looks like that. Thankfully, working on a Hyundai, fairly common fasteners. So now that we have that off, it's time to pull the mirror out and unplug it from the actual car, and then we're going to be putting the new one on. So here's a comparison between the mirrors. I ended up going with silver because I couldn't find the right blue, which sucks, but you kind of just have to go with what you get. These cars are pretty common, but this blue doesn't seem to be very common, so I'm a little unlucky, but that's alright. The plug came out extremely easily for me, so no worries there. And I did notice that there is a piece here that is missing on this one, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that, but I'll let you know. Here is what the car looks like without a mirror. I took the opportunity to wipe under there too, because, I mean, how often are you going to have the mirror off? But yeah, let's plug it in. I'm going to test it before I bolt it down, and then, yeah, that'll be that. Okay, here's the view from in the car. Now this part is obvious, but take your mirror control, put it to the right, and let's see if it'll adjust. Oh, it's making noise. Yeah, it definitely appears to be working. It's just a lot on the inside at the moment. Hard to see, but I think I've got it. And there you go. Looks a little bit funky with the blue and silver combo, but I think I might be able to paint it. I'm thinking I might paint it, I don't know. It doesn't actually look too bad. Maybe if I had the other side being silver, it would look a little better. Probably need to clean it up a little bit, but I think we're good. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys soon for some more car updates. More stuff gonna happen to my Tiburon in the future.